Today I'm taking you out. We're not staying in here today. I'm taking you out. I will take you through one of my chiropractic appointments with Dr. Samantha, the good doctor. Let me tell you a little bit about Dr. Samantha.
What's wrong? Asha, in the morning like this, it's sleeping late.
No,
just need a break.
It's getting a break. I'm going to sleep. I should have planned already.
So we'll be there for long.
Just a weekend.
Weekend.
We've been working together for like 3 years now, and I got to know about her through my friend Mafi. So I saw her on someone's Instagram page first. That's Melody. Then a few days later, Mafi got to tell me about her. I think Mafi was already working with her. I had horrible back issues. I'm a makeup artist, extraordinaire. So before I started working with Samantha, I've been doing makeup for like 12 years professionally. So you can imagine the state of my back. My back was horrible. I didn't even know there was help. So Mafi got to tell me about her and told me she could help me. And I'm like, okay, let me just try. I don't know what this is all about. Let me try. I watched some YouTube videos and they really look soothing. I'm like, okay, let's just give it a try. My first session, guys. Like, I've been hooked. When they say hooked, abonné since that time. I remember one time too, I had like sinus headaches and she really helped. I didn't even know what it was. I just went to see her, like, see, my whole head is spinning. I even did a scan to see if my brain is not enough. I don't know what's happening to me. My head is spinning. Everything is just spinning. And she took care of my head. Dr. Samantha saved my life because I felt like I would die that time. She really took care of me, and since then she's been amazing. Hey guys, this is Annie again. So this particular day, I went to see her because my toe has been acting up. She had done some laser treatment on my toe prior to this day. Like 6 weeks later, I started feeling the pain again. I thought it was just basic gym. Maybe I did some faux pas at the gym. Happens, turns out it wasn't. I don't know. I till now I really don't know what the problem was. I'm convinced it's probably either a gym shoe or a gym move. It has to be the gym because I've been doing too much in that gym. And she checked out my toe, but she also always checks out my spine just to make sure everything is still aligned, looking good. She checks out in fact, she usually does like a general check.
Let me just check. It's alcohol.
What? Alcohol?
No, this is alcohol.
Oh, okay. I think it says alcohol that's disturbing me. Yeah.
This stuff. I think we're gonna get rid of it. I don't know that.
I was really looking horrible. Try!
Hmm?
Also, I don't get push off.
I want shots.
Oh my god, push off.
Oh, I have one patient at home. So she's one man. Right, the same way. How time are you? One second, one at all. This is one of those people that when he says one, it's one. Oh, it's one. A shot. Is it painful here? This thing really works. Really does work. Otherwise, we won't buy it. So we won't buy it. I actually need 8.5 mil. So if you have it, just give it to me. Lend it
To buy another one.
To buy another one. To buy the big one. That's the big laser.
8.5.
Away. Only.
It's really only. Just looks like.
With this laser machine, or I don't know how it's called, I feel zero pain. So every time I have like a sharp pain or something, this is what she uses. And it works so well. I used to feel like it doesn't work since I don't feel the pain. But after that, the pain is gone. And this is generally it with Samantha. When she works on you, in the moment you're like, later on there's no pain.
Yeah, unfortunately with laser there's not much to see. It's just this.
There's no screen.
I can still pinch you.
No ways.
And she makes you feel comfortable. That's one thing about her. And there's this really nice chemistry between us. She's such a great friend on the side. So it's always a pleasurable experience.
I'm supposed to WhatsApp for like a week.
I know. Why is that?
My head was spinning.
We don't care. We need to come back for a proper session with your neck, where I'm just gonna work out.
I was supposed to ask you if you didn't feel anything on my neck or anything.
The neck is in a mess.
On this day, she told me to come back on Tuesday. Tuesday was just maybe 4 days later to check out my neck. She said my neck was feeling horrible. She needed to check out my neck. Because this is like 2 weeks later that I'm talking to you and I haven't gone there. You see how bad of a patient I am.
So don't push it, just let it heal. Okay, good job.
If you've been watching this far, please subscribe. This is a baby channel. It will help us a whole lot. Thank you very much to those of you who subscribed today. But basically, you should check out Dr. Samantha Foundation. She saves lives. This is not an ad, by the way. She doesn't. Well, I have a promo code. I have a discount code. What I'm trying to say here is she did not pay me to make this video. I just want to share this experience with you because so far I think I've helped over, I don't know, maybe over 50 or 100 people, I don't know. So far I've posted maybe like 10 videos of my sessions on Instagram. So from those Instagram videos, so many people have gone to her. And since so many of my followers were going to her from Instagram, I told her, you know what, let's do something for these people. Give me some kind of discount code that may encourage people to visit you more. And, you know, people are coming from my page. Let's do something for them. And since she's so nice, she was like, yeah, why not? So I have a discount code. If you go with the promo code Annie, you go there and you just mention Annie sent you, like, don't forget. If you say Annie sent you, you get a discount. She's affordable, her rates are beautiful, and I'll leave her number and everything in the description. If you call them, she'll give you details. But if you use the promo code Annie, she'll give you a discount. You know, she just gives you a better price. I think that's a good thing I could do for my followers because I mean, so many people are going there from me. So yeah, that's it. So there's no way you can even guess what that's your shoes. Perhaps for the toes. Yeah, because I try not to do the moves. Perhaps this particular shoe that you're wearing, just double check. See which shoe you've been wearing a lot. Let's see. On my neck, you cannot know now. I know. You know. Ha! Okay. Okay. Alright, my dear. Bye. Later.